What's up guys, my name is Seth, you're watching Petrol 360 and today we're back on a motorized bike. Roll the intro. Alright, in the last episode I kind of lied. I said that I was going to put this bike completely together and go ride around in the yard. But I messed up, I forgot. I still need to weld some stuff on this. I didn't weld the other side of the tube on the bottom bracket because the sprocket was in the way, and we need to make motor mounts. We're gonna have to weld those on, so we might as well do them now. So that's what we're gonna start working on. So I'm gonna grab the welding stuff and get to work. Alright, so that finished up all the welding on the tubes of our frame. Just had a little bit to finish here. So now we're going to move on to the motor. Typically with these motors they have these mounts here. Those just clip onto the frame and it would live right here, right now, which isn't horrible, but I really would like it to sit vertically. So what I've done is cut some thicker plate steel, and made motor mounts. So I can weld to these and then bolt these into the motor. And then we're going to weld tubes coming down from those plates to actually hold our motor here in the center of the frame. So that's going to be next. Alright, so catch you up where we are. We've gone ahead and made the front and the rear motor mounts, and we've kind of shaped them to fit. So what we did was we didn't quite have enough room to put full beads around the front or the rear. So we put 4 really solid tacks on there. I'll probably go back and add a little more. But then we shaped them out, and essentially the motor, I want the piston to sit vertically, so we got these lengths so it'll sit upright. And so if you set it in here, it's pretty much going to sit like this. And we had this sprocket on here for a while to make sure we have clearance for both the pedals so the pedals won't hit. And we thought we had an issue with where the chain was going to go through and get to the rear sprocket, but it turns out our back tire was cocked a little bit. So I think it's going to be good now. We'll have to clearance our fender a little bit. Other than that, I think we're ready to tack these in, so let's get to it. Alright, that brings us to a close of another episode. We got the motor mounted. It looks like everything clears, the pedal's clear, everything seems to work pretty good. The exhaust seems to be in a good place, so it's more or less done. Now we're going to move on to the gas tank, which honestly is probably going to be the hardest part for me since I'm not really a fabricator. But man, I'm really stoked with how things are going. It looks really good. Everything seems really solid. We took it down, we took some pictures of it, so I'm going to roll those at the end. So make sure if you want to see this, like good photos of it, make sure to watch at the end. But yeah, I mean, I'm really stoked. I'm really happy with what's going on with this. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this build. If this is your first video, make sure you go back in the series and watch from the beginning. I talk about the motor, talk about the idea of it, We designed the frame kind of in another video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I post a lot of cool pictures of cars and motorcycles and stuff like that. Photography is a big thing for me. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. If you think this project's pretty cool, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thanks. Here's some photos.